In the heart of medieval landscapes, the shepherd's pasture was a sanctuary where nature and tranquility harmoniously blended. Here, shepherds guided their flocks through dew-kissed meadows, as the gentle bleating of sheep echoed against the backdrop of rolling hills. Boughs of ancient trees offered shade, while delicate wildflowers painted a vibrant carpet over the verdant earth. Streams babbled softly, whispering secrets only the wind could carry, and birds articulated songs of peace from the edges of this idyllic haven. It's in this timeless ambience that one finds serenity, where the mind is free to wander unhindered by the burdens of a bustling world.